Hey, I'm Gabe with Vitev. So maybe you're one of the many people that comes to our website, vitev.com, with this question. How can your ionizers, these simple, easy to use, affordable systems, how can they create the same type of water that I was told only these fancy $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $6,000 electric ionizers create? There's no way that's possible, right? Well, I'm going to show you just how effective the natural process can be at improving our pH and improving the negative ORP of our drinking water. Okay, so what I have here is a glass of distilled water. We chose distilled for this because we want to show the largest change in pH available. And distilled water, as you probably already know, is very low on that pH scale. It's typically in that 4 to 5 range. And we're going to check that here shortly. But first things we're going to check is actually ORP. This is just a pH ORP meter. We're going to take a quick check to see where we're starting at with that. It's right around, say, 250 or so on the positive side. ORP is pretty finicky. It can vary a whole lot, particularly out of your tap. Bottled usually a bit more consistent, and today it's not too bad. Plus 250 is a lot better than what it could be. And we're going to now add, actually before we do that, we got to check the pH. Put a few drops in here, let's see what we're going to get. Kind of is a yellowish tinge right now. It's a pretty good amount of water though, so I'm going to add some more drops. So let's figure 4. Yellow on this scale is in that 4 to 5 range. We'll call it a 4. And now I'm going to add in our mineral mix. Let's see what happens. Notice how quickly it's already in the greens and blues. And if you can see the bottom, it's purple. It's a pretty dark purple already. Doesn't take much time at all to change pH. ORP is a little bit more finicky, so I'm going to stir it here for a little bit. It likes agitation. That's why we like water flowing through our filters. That's why we like to have the flow be fairly slow through them as well. So like a countertop system, liter to liter and a half a minute is going to give you the best performance. Our under sink systems, they're sort of self-regulated, so you don't have to worry about those as much. And then the pitcher as well. We control the whole size on the filter, and that keeps the flow rate nice and slow. And this is our countertop mix. We have different mixes depending on the system, but for today, we're using the countertop in this. You can see that purple color, much nicer now. And we'll have to do a quick ORP check. And where are we at here? We're now in the negatives. If we kept agitating it in the minerals, you'd see it better. But we're in the negative teens, heading into the 20 right now. So you're seeing a 300 point change or so. And like I said, a little bit longer with the minerals, and you'd have an even better spike. Actually, let's check that. Oh yeah, triple digits. Negative 150, negative 112, negative 110. It's heading on up. So just proof that you do not need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to get the pH and the ORP benefits you're looking for.